Hey there, everybody. Welcome back for another Tuesday tip here at Kanga Roof. As you know, my name is Bill Jr. And today I'm really kind of excited to talk about something I don't think we've ever covered before. We've talked about when it comes to roof replacements, manufacturers, system warranties, right? Making sure you follow the guidelines from the manufacturer for some of the better system warranties. Today, though, what I really want to talk about is the craftsmanship of a shingle roof, right? A lot of homeowners that we find don't really understand what goes into a roof replacement. This is evidenced all the time when we're looking at other quotes that homeowners have received because they notice that there's a discrepancy in the investment between what Kanga Roof's proposing to do and what the other contractors they've come across have proposed to them. And one of the real big things I always stress is process, right? Myself, the sales team here of all our roofing specialists, whether it's commercial, whether it's residential, whether it's repairs, there's a process that we go through, right? There's an inspection process, there's a documentation process. Well, one of the big reasons folks make the investment when it comes to roofing renovations or home renovations to utilize Kanga Roof is our process when it comes to installation. Okay? And here's the big thing, we actually have one. I always ask homeowners when we're looking at these proposals, I ask them, I said, well, has anyone else documented or shared with you their process to ensure that what that salesperson sitting in your home is promising is actually delivered? I got to be real straightforward here. Not many can, and it's because most people don't actually have a process. So they don't have a way to ensure that you as the homeowner or the building owner are protected and to make sure that what they're saying is going to happen actually does. Well, here at Kanga Roof, we actually took the time to invest in creating a system. And the beautiful part about that is my brother Matthew and the whole operations team then has a way to track, train, document, and ensure that what's supposed to happen actually does. So here we always talk about it, right? And that is our Rhino roofing system. There's an 11-step checklist process that my installation team has to follow every single time. And some of it sounds really simple, right? I'll use the one that I always love to come back to. It's on brick chimneys. Does the other company actually replace the chimney flashing? Do they have a system for it? Well, when Kanga Roof replaces your roof, everything is replaced up there. And one of the things we document and make sure is that when that chimney flashing is replaced, not only is it done properly and ice and water shielded and then wrapped with the flashing, when we seal it all, we actually use a masonry grade sealant. So it actually bonds to the metal, it bonds to the brick, it bonds to the mortar. So that way, in 5 years, in 10 years, it doesn't just dry out, crack, and then all of a sudden you have moisture coming into your home, right? When it comes to valleys or when it comes to ice and water shield, what's the system to ensure it happens every single time? Well, here at Kanga Roof, that Rhino roofing system, that's what we utilize to document and make sure that it always happens for you. And then by extension, that's why we're able to offer those amazing guarantees, the no blame game, right? The 100% satisfaction guarantee. The reason we can do those is because we've made the investment, we've taken the time to make sure that we have the right processes in place, documented for you as the homeowner or the building owner to ensure the right outcomes. Because at the end of the day, you're better served with a builder grade shingle that's installed properly with the right systems, the right processes, the right ventilation than the most killer deluxe metal roof out there if it's not done properly, right? And there's a reason it's called skilled labor, because it's not just nailing shingles on a roof. There is a true skill to it. You got to make sure as a company you've invested the time and the training in an ongoing fashion to make sure these things happen. And that's what we do here. The sales team, we meet every single morning. My brother with the operations team, they're meeting on rain days. They have scheduled training days to make sure that these installation steps are done every single time. So the tip is, make sure whenever you're having any kind of work done, whether it's roofing, whether it's on the interior of your home, you better be asking your contractor, what's your process? What's your system? And if they can't articulate that to you, that should be sending up major, major red flags, because the only thing worse than having to make a major investment in your home is make a major investment in your home twice because somebody didn't know really what they were doing, or they didn't have a documented system in place. And all of a sudden, halfway through the life of that roof or halfway through the life of that system, you have issues. And ultimately, the homeowner is the one left paying for it. So we never want that to happen. That's why we have those systems like the Rhino Roofing Installation System. So I invite you, if you haven't had one of my roofing specialists out yet, take the time, give us a call, 586-566-0308. You can always check us out on the website, www.kanga-roof.com. We'd love to come out. We'd love to give the inspection, walk you through our processes, and share with you why so many folks choose Kanga Roof and why it's such a great experience for them when it's done, and ultimately what a great finished product and system it is. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. I hope you hop to it. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.